Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Learn It Do It. Today I'm going to show you how to make this star cushion. I made this with my old jeans and I'm going to show you how to cut and sew it. So now I'm going to show you what you need. You need some cotton to fill this one and two big coconut shell buttons. And here I used this cord, stay stable, and piping, A4 paper. So take A4 paper. I'm going to show you how to draft it. Fold it lengthwise and from here to here 30 centimeters. 30. And from here upside you measure 16.5. From this 16.5 point you measure here 9.5 and you join these two and these two. You can see here one side is longer than the other side, okay, and cut it. So this is your pattern. What you need, 1 2 3 4 5 6 pieces for one side and 6 pieces for the other side. It means you must choose which color you are going to use. And I already cut with some hard paper. I cut already 1 2 3 4 5. I show you. This is the jeans I used, and I need another one. Take this one and cut. This side. Look. Okay. And you must sew all these lines. Before you sew, you marked this point. It means you can draw your sewing allowance like this and this. This point is very important. You are going to sew. When you sew, you are going to sew only until this point. You start from here and you end in this point. Don't go beyond this point, okay? Look, this point to this point. I already sew one side, look, and sewing allowance is open. After you sew, you press it very well, okay? And next I'm going to show you this one. I cut already strips. You can use bias binding or something you like, and you put this cordle inside. You put this cordle inside and fold it. Look, you take your zipper foot. This is your zipper foot on you, and you sew your zipper foot must go exactly here, okay? Also you need this part, take your measurement, and I already measure all around. I got 176 centimeters, and I cut from other jeans 176 centimeter long, this piece. Yeah, after you cut, you can join if it's not too long enough, okay? And after you cut this one, I already show how to sew this part, and take this part, sew onto this part. Look, so now just watch. You start exactly where the point is, and you sew until this point. Look, and also here, open. Now I'm going to show you how you join this part to this part. Leave it 2-3 centimeters and begin somewhere in middle, not this corner, and you use your zipper foot. Where you sew this part to this part, there is sewing lines. You follow these sewing lines, okay? When you come to this corner, you make like this and stop and turn it. Again, when you come to this corner, don't forget this point. No, only until this point. And turn. Sew same I done everywhere. Look how you get this corner. And here, okay? Sew all around. Now you can see I already sew this part to this part all around. Okay, look inside how you see. And I prepared this part also. Do not forget, I told you, you must sew only long side, not the short side, okay? And already I prepared this one, and you join again this part to this part. First you sew all around and take this one. After you sew, just pin it and take this part. You must exactly, these corners come exactly this part also to same corner, okay? And right side together, and you sew all around. So now you can see I already joined both sides with this gusset, and I make little bit notches everywhere to get a well shape, okay? But do not cut your sewing lines. And I leave place to turn it, and I'm going to turn it now. And take cotton, fill it. So you can see I already sew both sides, and I close where open place with hand, and you take now one button, and look, you need big needle. You take from the other side exactly where middle point, and go again. It is a little bit difficult, but you have to. Look how I do. Go again. bit tighter and you get nice form. Also this side. You sew it many times. Okay. So how you look my star cushion I already made. And this was my sample. So thank you for watching my tutorials. If you are satisfied, please subscribe to my channel, Learn It, Do It. Until next time, stay safe and happy. Learn it, do it.